I am in the process of designing a new bookcase that has hidden storage. And this is something that's going to be mass produced. But I have to make the prototype that's going to have the hidden storage with the new hardware. The hidden shelf. Piece of wood here. What I'm thinking is maybe we should add trim on the front and back that has the opposite direction bow going on. It'll keep it from bowing. So here goes the drawer. Do we have a better one down there?
There's another one.
That was worse. This is damn near firewood. I can live with this. They're gonna be about 2 inches tall.
2 inches.
Beautiful. And I have to hide my M&Ms in there because my wife gets on a
You gotta hide
chocolate.
your M&Ms.
She gets on a chocolate cake. She eats every M&M in the house. Leaves me none. Cut them to.
Well, this is all on camera.
Oh shit! Is my audio on? Here's a trick to this. If it won't come far enough out here to cut this. Pretty slick.
The things in my life that would have been easier with that.
Pretty slick. The dentist took forever. The dentist was, now I remember why I don't get my teeth cleaned.
You doing a custom filler with epoxy?
This is something that I've been doing for 20 years. And now it seems like everybody wants to make furniture out of epoxy. It'll pass. All those already?
Yep, they're all chamfered up.
Sweet. Well, I guess they can get shot on.
Let's see. That's really curving them bad.
Something's wrong with that tip. But what it is it's these grains. See, I mean, look where I hit right there. And look where it came out.
Jeez.
Because these grains are going like this. So it's hitting the grain and going straight up.
That is rough. That is a heavy curve.
So here's the trick to that. Because these have heads on them. If you take these pliers, you can lean them back and forth because they'll break off under the surface. See, this is something I learned because I do this a lot. This is where the fun begins, right now. This is that little something different.